Now, it is possible to make a YouTube channel without ever showing your face if you don't like it. A lot of people are doing it, you can do the same. One such an example is this channel. It's called Practical Wisdom. They don't show the face, they don't do nothing. They just have the voiceover. So I can just show you, for example, this one. I'll just preview the bit.
Best-selling author and real estate mogul Philip Michael.
They have just some footage behind and of course the voiceover. Now the voiceover, you have to do it by yourself, or you can just hire someone to do it instead of you. But all the visuals, all the video footage, all the image footage, you can make with an AI tool. And of course, you can use Canva. Everybody knows what Canva is. It is popular. It is of course free. They've got a lot of these free templates, and you can make almost anything when it comes to visuals, of course. Now, why am I saying that you can't go with the voiceover, which is like AI voice? Well, YouTube won't monetize you, okay? Because YouTube doesn't like that mass-produced content, and you just can't use AI voiceover on top of this like AI-generated content, which are the visuals. But you can do the voiceover yourself. It's not that hard. You don't even have to know like to speak English well. You can just do it for your own country or whatever. But that's just the way it is. They won't monetize you. If you want to make it with AI voice, you can just monetize your channel with some affiliate links, with some affiliate marketing, but YouTube ad revenue is not going to be for you because they will not just allow it. You will not be monetized. So that's how things are. Now you can just choose which way of the monetization you want and what do you want to pursue. But of course, before we delve into any one of these like creation things, we have to choose the category. So we have to choose the niche for our YouTube channel. There are many niches, and for example, you can just start with something that you like, something that you have passion for, but of course you can just do the research. Simple Google search can give you the initial info about that one. I'm going to leave a link down there in the description so you can have a look at this course that we've got, but you can just do it manually like this. So for example, you can just see the 10 most profitable niches, the 19 most profitable niches. You know, you have a lot of these, anywhere from like making money online, digital marketing, some personal finance, educational content, tech, cars, lifestyle, fashion, cooking. Well, there is something for everyone. This one, for example, is about finance. Okay, you can see like these names, these titles, and this is about finance. Each one of these niches has a certain CPM, that is cost per mil. That's like how much money you get per 1,000 views. But of course, once you go down the rabbit hole, once you just go and do that research, you will see and learn step by step everything that you need to know. Once again, I recommend the link down there in the description, but let's just now go and choose something and let's see how Canva can help us. So let me just use this as an example. I'm going to choose the cooking niche. Now, what do we have to do on Canva? We just have to search for YouTube. Okay, we need to start from a certain template, but if you don't want, you can just start with your own design. You can just start from scratch. You can just click on create a design. You can just type in video, click on here. It's going to be 1920 by 1080. Click on the video, and of course, you're going to be led inside into your dashboard. Now in here, you can just add whatever you want. Now my suggestion for start is to go with the slides. You know, that's going to be the most easiest way to create with Canva. So each one of these slides is going to be like 5, 6, 7 seconds long. You just have to keep it like that because of the attention. You know, you have to just generate attention. You have to keep focus of your audience. So that's going to be better for you if you just go with the slides, which are like 5, 6 seconds long. Now, you can just take some stock footage from these like free websites like Pixabay, like Pexels, Unsplash. You can, for example, put like moving photos, or you can just put like videos. But beware of that. They have to be royalty free. Okay, you can't take like someone else's content and expect to make money with it. These websites that I was telling you about, such as Pixabay.com or Pexels.com, they've got a lot of these free pictures and videos which you can use in whichever way you want. And there are some really good videos. So for example, nature videos tend to work good, but since I took certain like cooking niche, I'm gonna search for something about food. And you can just make a general food video. So for example, I don't know, take a look at this one. This is like some unhealthy food, and you can just talk about that. Okay, so you can just make a variation of all of these like unhealthy versions, and then you can end your video, for example, with these these like healthy versions, you know. So all you gotta do, if you like certain video, you can just click on this button, free download, do that for this one as well. And of course, I've mentioned Unsplash, that's one more source for you, so you've got a lot of choice. Now, of course, you can just upload those videos into your Canva editor. The way in which you can do that, you can just click on here on the upload section on this button here, and then click on the upload files. I'm going to upload now 2 of those videos that we have downloaded from that free website. But of course, we need the script. As I've told you, you're going to have to do the voiceover or someone else from your family, or you can hire someone. But of course, that person, whether it is you or someone else, well, they need the script, okay? And for that, Canva has an AI tool which is almost like ChatGPT, but you can, of course, use ChatGPT. Everybody knows about this one. It's easy to use, of course, but not a lot of people know about this one. This one is called Bing, okay? It is in your Edge browser. It was Internet Explorer before. We all hated it, but Microsoft is back. I really like this one. It is the same thing as ChatGPT, but it is way better because Bing can search online. Okay, we all know that ChatGPT cannot do that because ChatGPT has like pre-uploaded information up to 2021, if I'm not mistaken, and it can get wrong into certain things. But Bing will go online and it will search for the actual information, which is in real time, okay? So you don't have to worry about that. And of course, it will give you the references. So just have a look at this. You can type in the Bing chat like this: look up 5 tips for healthy diet. And of course, this lookup means that it's gonna go online. Just have a look at this, what is happening right now. In this corner, Bing will say to me that it is going on a search. So it is searching for 5 tips for healthy diet. And then it'll just write it down. And these are the references that I was telling you about. This is a really good thing because now what I can do, I can go on all of these and I can double check the information. So it is a really good thing. It is good for you to double check all the information because you don't want to mislead your audience, you know? You can just get the facts. Now with this information, you can just make the script for yourself, okay? You can just use Bing in order to write the script for you, but if you want to make it good, you go paragraph by paragraph. But of course, if you are out of ideas as well, if you don't want to go with the cooking niche, if you just want to go with something else, ask Bing or ask ChatGPT, whatever. Have a look at this. I can just ask Bing, give me 5 ideas for a YouTube video about cooking, and of course it's going to respond. This is a really good thing because it saves your time. It saves you like thinking about it. So you can see you've got 5 ideas. If you don't like these, you just go and ask it for more, and then you just make a script based on these ideas. Okay, so how to make a healthy breakfast in under 10 minutes. So look at this. Write me a chapter outline for the number 1. How to make a healthy breakfast in under 10 minutes. And this is what I was telling you about those like chapter outlines and doing it paragraph by paragraph. Now you will just go and say to the Bing, write me an introduction A, and then the next one is going to be write me the introduction B. So for each one of these parts, you're going to get like 400 and 500 words, and that's going to be a long, good, well-made video, you know? And after that, of course, you just make the visuals and the voiceover, and of course, you got to make the thumbnail, but that can all be done in Canva. When you finish with this video, you can always just put YouTube thumbnail here as well. You just have to like bigger this like this, so it fits the whole screen, and then you can add the text above it. So you can just add the text, for example, like this subheading, you can move it around, and for example, if you just speak something, you can have it written down, okay? So there was a study because when people watch videos, and mainly they sometimes watch it without audio, it is a good thing to have the subtitles, so you can just make it into Canva as well for free. It is a really good tool. Now, Canva, of course, allows you to change the colors, to like move the things around, to just make whatever you want. You just need to like get familiar with it, okay? And of course, it is always going to be free if you don't want to use certain things like these like paid templates or something like that. And of course, you have many of those paid ones, but of course you have plenty of these which are for free. So these with a crown you have to pay for, but you can see that there are the majority of these who don't have the crown. So you can see the crown here, the crown here, crown, but a lot of these don't have a crown. So they're for free. Now, of course, this isn't gonna work like this. You watch a video of 10 minutes on YouTube and you just start it out. Go and do some more research, okay? Go just and see what else do you need. Go and see what do you have in your home. What can you use? Do you have a friend which can help you? What is your strategy? How would you structure your goals or something like that? Just make yourself realistic goals so you don't get frustrated. And of course, the most important thing in the YouTube business and all of that is the consistency, okay? Consistency is the number one. Quality, not so much, but consistency, number one. Always remember that. Now go out and make some great videos. I'll catch you.